If you've been looking for a bright and open end-unit townhome, I have the perfect match for you. I'm Bethany Nelson with the Bethany Nelson Real Estate Group, and you're going to love our newest listing at 11452 Elmwood Avenue in Champlin. Greeted by a vaulted entryway leading to a main level dedicated to living space, this 2-bed, 2-bath floor plan is both warm and cozy as well as functional. 2 large bedrooms, 1 with a walk-in closet, an oversized bathroom, and laundry can be found on the second level. Whip up your favorite latte in the bright white kitchen before enjoying the sun on the secluded side patio. This home won't be available for long, so call us today for your own private showing.